Hi everybody, welcome back. How are you? It's Taco Tuesday night, so I'm making fajitas. And we're having some very fancy appetizers. Only the finest. Very fancy, smancy. I mean, what's easier than this type of meal? Let me just show you what I'm using. I'm using the Italiano we cut. I know we need more peppers, but that's all I have. So it's gonna be heavy on the onion. I did not grow this. And these for toppings. I have some lettuce. I'm gonna use some of this product here to saute in at the end. It has such a great flavor. It has a little jalapeno in it, it has cilantro in it, garlic, onion. It's a game changer. If you buy this though, once you open it, you have to refrigerate it. I'm gonna use Goya on the veggies as well. So while I'm cooking them this, and then at the end, a little of this. Now what's gonna make today, or these fajitas different, is I'm trying something new. I'm trying this Goya Marinade. Have you ever tried this? And I have my chicken, I've been marinating it overnight. So I'm not gonna film the chopping up the onions and sauteing all them because I know you all know how to do that, right? But what I will do is I'm gonna get this grilling and then I'm gonna take a bite and I'll let you know how this tastes, okay? So let's get to. You know what, guys? I'm gonna add this too. I just realized I had it. So we're gonna add that to the mix tonight with our fajitas. Barely any pepper at all. I would definitely recommend picking up a pepper. You know, for fajitas. I'm just using that one little one we picked out of the garden. I'm gonna add the adobo now. Little toppings platter. Chicken's off the grill, so I'm just gonna cut it thin. Not that thin, but you know what I mean. This should make enough for 3 people, which is what I'm cooking for. So I'm just gonna finish this up and then we're gonna do our taste test and see, did the marinade, is it delicious? Does it make a difference? I don't know, we're gonna know very shortly. Okay, got it all done and I got everything set up here. Don't mind my bananas. I've got a plan for those coming up, okay? All right, let me make one. I always start with cheese because I like the hot stuff to melt it. So, whoa, my chicken looks good, you guys. I know it's Taco Tuesday, but who says you can't break the rules and do fajitas? And then these are some of the onions. And this is actually parsley, not cilantro, because my family doesn't like cilantro and lettuce. So let's see, I'm gonna get some of these. And I'm using my fingers because it's just home, you know? And I'll get another fork later. And then I just put a dollop of sour cream. All right, the moment of truth. How do you guys fold your fajitas? I kind of fold them like a wrap. I'm actually gonna cut this one like a wrap. These are huge tortillas. The rice is still cooking. I'll have a little bit of that later. All right. Hello, it's me again. Don't look at my kitchen, it's probably a mess now because I've been cooking. All right. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about all that, but I got it here. my little fajita wrap. All right, so let's give it a try. All right, it's awesome because it's a fajita. I mean, how can a fajita not be fantastic? However, I don't taste any like flavor from that marinade. I'm just gonna try a piece of the chicken alone and see, like, because it's supposed to taste, I don't know, like almost like impart like the flavor of like taco seasoning. Alone, you can taste it mildly. I think because I have so many toppings on the fajita that it's masking it. But if you were to eat the chicken alone, like on a salad, I'm almost thinking like a roasted chicken. Like if you marinated this in like a whole chicken and roasted it, it would be like really juicy and delicious. I'll keep experimenting. I have the whole bottle. Thank you for joining me for dinner. I hope you have something good for dinner. Do you have any meal ideas that you could share with me? Let me know. I love trying new things, so I'm having a lot of fun. All right, yeah, I'll see you soon, okay? I'll see you on the next one. Bye.